Hello, students, learners. I am going to talk about change of narration of optative sentence. First of all, let me define optative sentence. An optative sentence is that sentence which expresses wish, desire, curse, uh, prayer, etc. Generally, optative sentence begins with may. For example, may he top the examination. May she pass the examination in the first class or first division. May democracy live long. All these sentences are optative sentences. If the reported speech contains optative sentence, it will change into indirect narration as follows. If the sentence expresses wish or wished, becomes the reporting verb. If the optative sentence expresses prayer, then prayed becomes the reporting verb. If the optative sentence expresses curse, then curse or cursed becomes the reporting verb. When the optative sentence expresses blessing, bless or blessed becomes the reporting verb in the indirect narration. As regards connective, that is used as connective. Remember, that is used as connective in case of assertive sentence, in case of optative sentence, and in case of exclamatory sentence also. So, use that as connective to join the reporting verb and the reported speech. The next change is the change of pronoun. Pronoun will change as usual. The next change is the change of tense. The tense will change as usual. May changes into might generally. The important change in this case is the case of sentence. The direct narration has optative sentence, but when it changes into indirect narration, it becomes assertive sentence, having the structure of sentence as subject plus verb plus object, whereas an optative sentence has the structure of may plus subject plus V1 plus object or other words. For instance, may you top at the examination. this sentence has the structure of may plus subject plus V1 plus object or other words. And the assertive sentence, if it changes into assertive sentence, it will become you may top the exam. So this is assertive sentence. Now another change is that in the optative sentence there is exclamation mark, punctuation mark is exclamation mark, but in the indirect narration there is full stop because the sentence changes from optative sentence into assertive sentence. So full stop is required. Now let me show all these rules with examples. Direct narration. He says, may you top in the examination. Indirect narration. He says, he may top. He says that he may top the examination. Second, Sita says to Gita, may you live long. Sita wishes that she, means Gita, may live long. Next, he said, God save the king. He wished that God might save the king. Look at this sentence here. May is missing, but it's understood or it is implied. Therefore, in the indirect narration, may will be used. May will appear. Another example. He said, democracy live long. He wished that democracy might live long. He said, may God grant him long life or longevity. He prayed that God might grant him long life or longevity. Similarly, he said, may you die soon. He wished that he might die soon. He cursed, not wished. He cursed that he might die soon. He said, may you fail in the examination. He cursed that he might fail in the examination. In this way, we find that optative sentences of the direct narration can be changed into assertive sentences in the indirect narration. And these are the rules that are put to use while changing direct narration into indirect narration of optative sentences. Now I think students, dear learners, must have understood how to change direct narration containing optative sentence into indirect narration. It's very easy, but it requires regular practice. So, dear students, dear learners, If you practice it daily, you will learn it very soon. Thanks for details. Go to the description section. The description section has details about the change of narration of optative sentences. Thanks.